My name's Ruth Jones. Hi, and I am here talking to the students from Film and TV School Wales. I've been doing, I think it's known as an industry masterclass. There are so many opportunities to get yourself out there, to make your own little films, to write your own monologues, to write something that is really well suited to your own cast ability and to put it out there on the internet and the World Wide Web. It's really important to be yourself and not to try and be somebody you're not unless you're playing a character. And taking an interest in lots of different things and not limiting yourself to one particular area. I think that's really important, to just keep feeding and nurturing your own creativity, and that could be, maybe in an area that you don't normally experience. I think it's important to keep everything open, really, to be open to learning new experiences.